Welcome to your upper body foam rolling session. We only have 3 foam rolling movements for this session. We're gonna hold each for a 30-second count. We're gonna get started. So all you need is a foam roller, the floor or a mat, it's up to you. We're gonna start with your chest and shoulders. So you're gonna have the foam roller between where your chest and your shoulder connect, so about right here. We're gonna foam roll in this little area. If at any point, when you foam roll, the area is pretty tight and a little painful, you wanna hold it there for about 5 seconds, breathe into it, and then continue. Or just follow along with me, because I'm gonna be counting to 30 in my head, starting now. Switch sides. Next, we're gonna foam roll our lats. So you're gonna have the foam roller right below your armpit. You're gonna lay to the side. You want your arm extended out like this. You want your legs together. You're gonna have your other arm laid to the side of your body. And you're gonna lean back just a little bit. And for this one, you're just gonna hold it here for a 30 count. When you're foam rolling your lat, you want to lean back a little bit so we can really get a good trigger point to apply pressure with the foam roller with. And if you want to rock up and down a little bit, you can bend your knees slightly like I'm doing, just to get a little deeper. And then you can play with it too, lean back a little to find the trigger point that's best for you. Lean back some like that, or a little bit forward, just to really feel that trigger point. Switch. All right, last part of our foam rolling session is our lower back. Some people do it different ways when it comes to your lower back, foam rolling it. For me, I like to coach it this way. So the way I like to coach is you want the foam roller below your shoulder blades, not on the small of your back. I feel like that offers you more protection from straining or hurting yourself. So you're gonna lay back, have the foam roller below your shoulder blades, knees are bent, hands behind your head, lift your hips up and lay back. 30 count. All right, that's it for your upper body foam rolling session. Thank you for taking the time out to get it done.